Okay, so this project that I've made a series of videos to show it getting built out, I am now inviting, actually, as you may recall, I was in that project as a character named Andrew Rachel, just a made up name. So now I'm inviting myself, I'm inviting Seth. So it's an invitation. This is custom text. So this was special text written into the invitation. I'll show you where that is. Also, the person elected to include the project description. And then there's a link to the actual invitation, or I can click this join button about joining the project. Just go back to my inbox for a moment. So yeah, it's inviting Seth Kenvin to project dinner in Las Vegas. So yeah, oh, there it is in the subject line. Now it's on top of my screen. Anyhow, so clicking to join. So because this is an existing login. So I made an earlier video in which I clicked sign up and I showed the sign up process, but now I have a login, Seth@there.app, and I know what the password is. Hopefully I typed it correctly. And so now I go to the invitation of the project. If I'm on my mobile device, it's going to look like this. So yeah, there's the cover image for the project and the main data about it, including the description, and I can choose whether to accept or not. I'm going to accept. And now I am in the project. So this is the alias I set up originally when I went through the sign-up process. This is me actually. So now that I'm in here, I'm going to add a couple more people. So the way to add people, I want it to come from myself and not from this random name I set up that people will recognize. So now that I'm in the project, the way to add people is click. Every module has this green button in the middle that you click to add items of that type. Click to add an appointment, or back to team, click to add people. And I am, so this is where I could type the custom message that you saw. And this is where I could click to add the project description. I'm not going to bother. Actually, I'll include the project description, sure. And then I am going to invite my colleague, Sarah. There she is. So she's already been in projects with me. And I'm not sure if I've been, so I just put this in my clipboard. So this is Lawrence. So I'm inviting Sarah and Lawrence. They're going to get this invitation text. So they're the two people being invited. And I click add, and now their inbox will have the same sort of email I had, but they're now in the project. So I'm going to make one more video, I think, maybe two, but one in which I show now if there are a few people in the project, how can we communicate with them, use chat, assign tasks, add people to appointments. So more video coming.